Hello guys, today we will talk about Verizon Wireless Internet for Business. Verizon offers a wide range of internet solutions tailored specifically for the business, providing reliable and efficient connectivity meet the demand of modern enterprises with their extensive network coverage, advanced technology and dedicated customer support. Verizon Wireless has become a trusted provider in the business internet space. One of the key advantages of Verizon Wireless Internet for the business is its robust network infrastructure. Verizon has invested heavily in the building up a powerful and expensive network that spans across the United States. This ensures that business can enjoy reliable and high-speed internet connectivity even in remote and hard to reach areas. The network is designed to handle heavy data traffic and provide a stable and constant internet experience cri- critical for business that rely on continuous online operations. Verizon Wireless offer various internet plans to cater to different business needs. Whether you run a small office or a large enterprise, they have options that can accommodate your requirements. Businesses can choose from DSL, fiber optic, or wireless internet solutions depending on their location and the level of performance they desire. The flexibility allows a business to select the most suitable plan that aligns with their operational need and budget. One of the standout feature of Verizon Wireless Internet for Business is its high-speed performance. Their fiber optic internet, known as various voices, deliveries in incredibly fast speed, offering a business that the bandwidth necessary for data intensive applications and seamless online collaborations. With the lightning fast uploads and download speeds, business can quickly transfer a large file stream videos without buffering and run bandwidth intensive application with easy. This speed advantage can significantly enhance productivity and efficiency in the workplace.